found a life-size fly. Maddie's here.
Hi.
Hey guys, we are in Dollar Tree doing a little shopping, so we're gonna take you guys along with us. So first we came across some squishy balls, and these ones don't have Orbeez in them, but they're like fidgets. And then
Yes, they do.
they don't have Orbeez.
Yes,
This one
do.
doesn't.
Oh.
Fill that one. Maddie's here.
Hi.
Guys, if you guys don't see Maddie, she went missing because
I hit the ball.
I put her somewhere.
I hit.
Stop. That was a good hit though. But stop. So they have this one. Look, this one doesn't have Orbeez in it. And they have some glitter slime. And they have these really cute balls. The one that Maddie hit me with, it has numbers on it. Stop. And they have a gold one and a silver one. And then they have these really cute, I think I remember these. These are
Guys, look, this is a nice color.
outdoor water spoons.
This is a nice color.
Alright, let's see what else they got. Look guys, they have these really fun
Can I get one?
racket things for summer.
I'm gonna get one.
You have money, so if you want one, you can get one.
I'm gonna get one.
What color?
Blue. You already know it.
Maddie's gonna get blue. You already know it.
Yeah, I do. My favorite color is blue.
You're wearing blue right now.
Yeah,
Oh, it's blue in the camera, but it's really like toy-less.
My favorite color is blue, pink, purple.
Guys, what? Go.
Favorite color is blue, pink, purple, black.
All the colors
orange,
in the rainbow?
And yellow. No.
Okay. But they have these poppers. Guys, the only thing about this, it doesn't have a spinny thing. Like for it to spin, it's just open. These look like they do glow in the dark. They have a glow mermaid tail. They have an octo.
They
have these really cool.
I had this before.
Cool.
I have this.
Do they connect?
No.
Let's
Yes.
see.
No.
Push it in more. Do they?
No.
Oh, guys, they look like they connect, but they don't. But they're Lego water bottles, water containers, or you could put juice in them too. Look at these motorcycles.
What is this?
That's fidget. It's a centipede. Maddie, look. Squishy pals. Do it again. Fidget. A really cool fidget. Alright, that's gonna hit somebody and I'm just gonna walk away.
Hey guys.
They have more fidgets, guys.
Guys.
This and more octo poppets. So they have some over here. Oh look, Maddie, they have mini ones now. And they have the zipper ones. Look.
Oh.
They have mini poppets now.
Good.
They have a lot, guys.
Look.
Oh, what is this? A wall walking bug. Should we prank Auntie, other Auntie? It's a wall walking bug. That is so cool. Oh, you put it on here and then you slap it against the wall.
Oh.
And then it walks down the wall. That's pretty cool.
Guys,
sorry guys, wait. They're gonna come to me and say, you didn't put it back. Look, I put it back. Okay. Alright, Maddie is just really messing with you guys. I don't know why. You just throw a ball at them. That's pretty harsh, dude.
Hey, it doesn't go to the screen or nothing.
This is how flies really look in real life. You guys, we found a life-size fly, but it doesn't fly.
Yeah, why do they look like that?
That's how they really look in real life. Should we get, how big do you think this grows, Maddie? Do you think it grows really big?
Huh?
Do you think this grows, look, they have a dinosaur. You add water and it grows.
I think it grows like to normal size.
You think so?
Yeah.
Look at these sticky ones. Ah! These look cool.
Nice catch.
Stop. These look cool. We should have a sticky one fight.
Okay.
But it probably wouldn't work because now she's hitting us, guys. Are these considered micro cards? Die cast cards.
Guys, look.
These are pretty small. Would you call this micro?
No.
Pretty small. Here go all the kinetic sand. It's kind of hard though. I don't know if I would buy that. I was waiting for you to say something. Oh, I'm telling security. Which one are you getting?
This one.
The rainbow one.
Yeah.
See? I love the colors.
And it's easy to clean.
Yeah, it's
There's no
BPA
straw.
free.
No
You
straight.
don't want this one?
No.
Why? It's not for babies. Oh look, they got Arthur. Arthur. You want Arthur? Is it Arthur or Arthur? I've been saying Arthur for the longest.